Alright, here's how you tell which of these goes on which side and which of these goes on which side on here either also. So you see right there, that looks like an R, really faint. That one looks like an L. So L, I think, is driver's side, R is passenger side. And then, where was it? Let me find it again. Right there. So this has L. So this also is driver's side. And on this one is an R. So that's how you tell. Is that for real? That's how it's gonna sit, all compressed, like aired out basically. And right here is gonna touch. That to me is trippy. Okay. What's trippy is the bag, like, sits hella cockeyed. Talked to one of my friends and he said this is normal. Threw me off hella bad for a couple hours. It is what it is.